Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Fab Fit Fun box for the month of September. So this is going to be our fall box. I'm really excited. This is only my second box from Fab Fit Fun, so I'm still kind of getting a feel for it if I want to continue my subscription or not. So I'm excited to see what came this month. So if that sounds good, why don't we go ahead and get started with the unboxing. You guys, so like I said, this is only my second box. I did start with the summer box and I liked it. I wasn't like the most impressed ever. I did like it, but I did get a discount on that first box. This second box was full price, so it's $49 for each one of the boxes. You get these seasonal, so they're gonna come 4 times a year. So you're gonna get a summer box, a fall box, a winter box, and then a spring box. So we have here the fall box. It has this orange vibe to it, so I'm really excited. I haven't looked inside yet. I will have the link down below if you guys want to sign up for the subscription service, but I am new to it, so I'm kind of just getting a feel, like I said, to decide if I want to keep the subscription or if I do want to cancel it. So we do have our magazine in the front. It looks like this month they are featuring Meghan Trainor, so I'm guessing she has like an interview in here or something. So this, I believe, has all of the info on the products in here. Yes, so we have that. And then also in here, there is a HelloFresh thing. I feel like this is in every subscription service, but we do have a card here. It says it's for $80 off. And then we also have here, what is this? So this is $15 off your first box. It's like another code. So I can put that down in the description box if you guys want to sign up for the box and you aren't subscribed. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So up first, I see something from Wonder Beauty. I enjoy a lot of their products, so that's exciting to get. So this is their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Love these. These are a holy grail for me in my routine. So this is nice to get a product that I know and that I like. So these are just eye masks that you can use. They come in little individual things and you just put these on. They really help with just like depuffing the eyes. They give you a little bit of a boost. And I think these are really good. They also stay really nice, which I like. Sometimes the eye grips, I feel like kind of slide around. These stay pretty good on the eyes. So we have those in here. So let's go ahead and grab the next item. And this is a hair towel. Okay, so a hair bonnet. So it says hands-free, lightweight, drying hair towel. So here's what that looks like. It is pink. So I'm assuming this is one of the ones that kind of like stay on your head, you know what I'm talking about, like the wrap ones. I'm assuming that's what this one is. So I'm gonna pull it out so we can see like how big it is. So I actually don't have one like this. I typically just use like a regular towel, but I know a lot of people do like these. So here is the size of it right here, and then it has the little buttons. So I think that you just kind of put that on here. There's the little thing, and you put your hair into here. I'm not familiar with these, so I really wouldn't even know how to put it on my hair, but I will definitely try it. And I do have quite a bit of hair, so sometimes it's a bit much to like get it all into a towel. And I don't love putting it in a towel either because I feel like it can be damaging. So this says heat and frizz free dry. So we'll try this out and see how that one works. I definitely feel like Fab Fit Fun is one of those boxes where you definitely get stuff that it's like different that you don't get in a normal subscription service. So we have this scarf right here. So it says stay warm and stylish with our ultra soft plaid scarf. So here is what it looks like. It has the little tassels, plaid. It feels really, really nice quality. It feels really soft. I don't particularly love scarves. I use them sometimes, but I'm not someone who's like a scarf crazy person. So I might save this one to like gift to somebody, but it does feel like it's really good quality. It feels really nice. And then next in here, we do have, this is from Harper and Ari. It's an exfoliating sugar cube. Interesting. Okay, so Juice Cleanse. So here's what that looks like. It looks like it has a bunch of different cubes in here. Let me read what this is. So it says to take a single cube with you in the shower and the bath, gently massage over your wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended for twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering. Okay, so you're supposed to take like each one of these cubes and kind of just like rub it into your skin. That sounds interesting. There is, it looks like you get 8 of them inside of here, so it's not that many, but let's see how they smell. They smell really good. I'll have to try these out when I take my next bath. I've been taking more baths lately. I am not a bath person. I really don't like taking baths, But I am pregnant right now, and I feel like I'm starting to get into that like stage where I'm starting to get a little bit achy, things are getting a little sore, so baths have been helping with that, so I might try those in my next bath. And then let's see what else we have. So we have, this is from Nasif MD, and this is a detox pad, so complexion perfecting pad. It does have 60 inside of here. And it says gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve skin complexion. Don't rinse off. So some complexion pads. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand, but I do like products like this. I feel like they're just really easy to give your face like a quick pick-me-up, but I think it's nice to have something that's already concentrated on a pad. I like that a lot of times, so that is good. We also have inside of here something from Aveda. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So we have a hair product. So it says instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So it is a heat protectant. You put this on before you're gonna style your hair, blow dry your hair, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a smell. I don't have anything from Aveda. It actually smells really good. It kind of smells, it kind of reminds me, I don't know what it smells like, but it does smell really good. So I have quite a lot of heat protectants in my collection because I do, you know, review things and things, but I will give that one a try and see how it works. And then next up in here from Human & Kind, we have this Body Soleil. So this is a natural, vegan, and cruelty-free brand. This is a very large bottle. It has 6.76 fluid ounces in here. So I think this is just gonna be like a lotion, like a body lotion. I've never heard of this brand either, but this is definitely a really good size. So that's a lot of lotion in there, perfect for like the fall months when your skin kind of starts to get a little crackly before winter time. And then we have another product in here. This is from Causemetics. This is their Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. It's kind of an interesting packaging. It almost has like a little shaker right here on the top. And this says mix crystals, a few shakes with any of your favorite Causemetics products to apply to your face. So that is interesting. Like I said, it's an interesting package too. So this is going to be a vitamin C, so it's going to help with like brightening and texture of your skin and everything like that. So this was our last product in our Fab Fit Fun box. So we definitely got a lot of like skincare. We got hair. We did get those few like bath products. We got the eye bags. And the scarf and the towel. So I do think it's a good value. Again, this box is $50, so you definitely got your money's worth for sure. I feel like even these skincare products alone, I'm sure cover the cost of the box. For me personally, the things that I'm most excited about are the little cubes because I think that these will be really nice. They smell really nice. I'm also pretty excited about the towel wrap because I don't have one of these, so that's new for me. I love the Wonder Beauty eye mask, so that is nice as well. And then I'm actually pretty excited about these pads, so I'm excited to give these a try. The styling cream, this is okay, but I feel like it comes in a lot of subscription services, and I know not everyone styles their hair. I mean, you should be using heat protectant if you are going to use like a hairdryer or anything like that, but I know not a lot of people kind of reach for this product, so that's okay. I don't know that I'm super excited about this like vitamin C thing. I'll have to try it out and see what I think. And then again, the scarf just isn't really my style, so I don't know that I'll use that. But you guys will have to let me know down below what you think of the products that came inside of my box. Let me know if you got something different inside of yours. All in all, I think this was pretty good. I'm going to probably put a few of these things, like I said, in a giveaway or a gift for someone, so I am going to get use out of the items. But I don't know, I'm still kind of thinking I'll wait for the winter box because this is only my second box and see what came inside of there. But I'm not like overly impressed yet. I feel like I've seen some really good boxes in the past that had me excited to sign up for the subscription. But like last month, this month, I'm kind of just like, I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but you guys will have to let me know down below what you guys think. And if you enjoy these unboxings, give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.